If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in basic level where we are starting sequence in series. So for this lecture we will see some basic concepts of what is sequence and what do you mean by series. Okay, then let's see this. Okay student, if you see that is sequence and series. If you start for basic level, what is sequence? Sequence means if you are writing some numbers in a particular sequence, means there should be some rhythm to it. One after one other the numbers will come and there should be some rhythm to it. So sequence is the succession of numbers will come one after another. It may be real or imaginary, formed according to some definite law. There should be some law or some rhythm, some tuning should be there, so that you can say okay, maintaining that law it is coming. Okay, suppose an is its nth number. Sometime it may call an, it may call tn also. It is suppose the nth number. So in this chapter we will consider only for real numbers, sequence of real numbers, or you can say in syllabus it is of real numbers only. So if you say some examples 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so this is a sequence because it is coming adding 1, 1, 1, or you can say it is a sequence of natural numbers. All the natural numbers I have written serially. Next one, if you see 3, 7, 15, so if it is there is a law again, rhythm is there. What is the rhythm? Everything, the term is coming after adding 4 to the preceding term. Okay, next one is again, you can see this is a sequence of 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. This is of prime numbers. All prime numbers I have written. So what is the law to write this sequence? The law is you write all the prime numbers serially. Next one, if you see you multiplying 3, 2 into 3, 6 into 3, you can find the logic here. 2 into 3, 3 into 3, and next one will be 162 multiplied by 3. 3 4s are 12, 15, 6, 162. So with this logic everything will come. Next terms will also come. If you see this one, here if you reverse it, then it is coming at a particular order. 2, 2 plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, denominator is plus 2. That means if you reverse it, then that means the difference becomes only 2. So every time you are adding 2. Okay. So there are some names depending on this law. So whatever law it is, they have defined some of the laws. Like in normal our court system also, there are some law, criminal law, constitution law, all these marriage laws, all these are laws as are there. So they have name also. Suppose number 2, this one. This sequence is obtained by adding 4 to the preceding terms. Just immediately preceding terms. Next term is just you add 4 to the preceding term, you will get next term. That is known as arithmetic progression. If such types of rules are there, that means by adding a constant number you are getting next numbers, then it is known as arithmetic progression. Suppose the fourth one, it is always multiplying 3. So the next number is the multiplication of the constant of the preceding numbers. So here you can say it is multiplying by 3. So that is known as geometric progression, GP. And the last one, fifth, if you see this one, this is the reciprocal of this number 2, 4, 6, 8. All these reciprocals, they form an AP, because if you reciprocate it, then it is become only addition of 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2. And if it is addition is constant, then it is known as arithmetic progression. You have seen this law. If it comes after adding a constant number, the rule is, the name of the progression sequence is arithmetic progression. If the rule is multiplying by constant number, then it is known as geometric progression. If the rule is, if you inverse it, it becomes AP, then it is known as harmonic progression. Just 3 you have seen. This one you will find in Fibonacci series. In your engineering applications you will find lots of applications of this series. It is nothing but 1 1, then 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. The next term is coming, adding the previous two terms. So 3 plus 2 is 5, then 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 5 8 is 21. This one you see 1 6 20 56. Can you find what is the relation? If I split it, 1, it is 3 into 2, it is 5 into 2 square, it is 7 into 2 cube. So you see 1 3 5 7, they are increasing by constant number 2, and another one 2 2 into 2, again 2 into 2, 2 4 8, they are again multiplying by constant number 2. So both is there, addition by constant number and also multiplication by a constant number. So that means known as arithmetic or geometric rotation, because it is the mix of AP, GP both. One part is by increasing by a constant number, another part is multiplying by a constant number. So it is known as arithmetic or geometric progression. Okay, these are all the names on this sequence. Next topic is what is series. So an expression of this type of form, plus A1 plus A2, not comma, this sequence was comma, but series is, if you add all this, is known as series, provided that If you remove the comma plus, the commas are forming a sequence. That means if there is a form sequence, then summation of all these becomes series. Because they form a sequence, if you add all this, that becomes a series. Because they are formation a sequence, so if you add all these, it becomes a series. So like 3 plus 7 plus this big arithmetic series of arithmetic progression 3, 7, 11, 15. This is a geometric series of terms of geometric progression, involving terms of geometric progression. Now if the series terminates after a finite number of terms, if it stops at somewhere, this plus plus plus, then we say it is a finite series. Suppose this is stopping at 1000, 1 by 1000. If it doesn't stop, suppose your an or tn, whatever the nth term is, the n, it doesn't stop, it n keeps on increasing and it goes up to infinite, then it known as infinite series. This series is not ending, it is going up to infinite. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.